Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you the best drones under $100. Number 5. FAWEDERA. The drones with 4K camera for adults. This 4K drone is capable of 4K/30 FPS video and 4K pictures, offering higher quality footable. The 2-axis gimbal stabilization plus the ICE, electric image stabilization, technology reduces blurriness at the maximum. This drone with camera comes with 2 intelligent batteries, with an impressive battery life of up to 15 minutes totally. 5G FPV transmission distance can achieve 1900 to 3900 feet. Remote control range is as long as 150 m. It's easy to carry the drone everywhere with the high-quality sturdy carry bag. The advanced features brushless motors/wind resistance/1 key to return, etc. make your fly easier. Enable you to play flight games and enjoy the creative fun on road. Number 4. Contixo F35 GPS Drone with 4K UHD Camera. This high-quality drone comes with 4K UHD camera with 2-axis self-stabilizing gimbal. The amazing 4K UHD video quality with 3840 by 2160 pixel at 30 fps for stunning clarity, deep contrast and vivid colors. You can feel Ultra HD views about the nature. Follow me, orbit mode, and gesture control free your hands to take ideal selfies. Point of interest or tap to fly. You can fly it in a directed and custom path using up to 16 waypoints. Comes with nice carrying case with a free 64GB memory SD card. Its super long fly range and video transmission distance, up to 1 mile fly range, reach live video and image transmission distance up to 4000 feet. With stronger GPS positioning, can hover stably to catch clearer images and return to home precisely. 30 minutes longer flight time equipped with upgraded 2500 mAh intelligent battery provides up to 30 minutes flight time. The package comes with 1 battery, extends your flight time to 60 minutes. You can add an extra battery to your cart in Amazon link. Number 3. Vivitar Phoenix. Long flight time drone for adults. We combine GPS technology with a powerful brushless motor to bring you drones with camera for adults that allow you to choose from 3 speed settings, slow, medium, and fast, while maintaining stability for clearer shots and recordings. This drone RC quadcopter is equipped with a motorized HD camera that can rotate up to 180 degrees when recording, allowing you to capture every moment, making it the perfect choice for catching action scenes or just for casual everyday use. The professional drones with camera provide altitude hover and location lock functions, which coupled with the rotating camera allows you to record videos, take images at just the right angle, making them ideal for recording action scenes, parties, aria. The long-distance drones with cameras use GPS positioning to follow you as you move and use a headless mode function to return to you. It offers Wi-Fi streaming to provide you with a live feed of the recording directly to your phone through the app. Number 2. RC Drone with Camera for Adults. Mini drone with 1080p dual HD FPV camera. With foldable arms, small size, easy to carry. Dual camera switch. With altitude hold mode function provides stable flight. With Wi-Fi function can be connected APK system to take pictures, video, real-time transmission through phone camera image. Number 1. DJI Mavic Mini Combo, Drone FlyCam Quadcopter UAV with 2.7K camera. Weighing less than 0.55 pounds, 250 grams. Mavic Mini is almost as light as the average smartphone in the United States and Canada. You can fly this camera drone without the need to register your drone with the government.